I'd like to go ahead and fire it all up now and give it a little run. So we're gonna get vacuum on, water flow is on, brush is operating. I'm gonna go ahead and drop down that squeegee. Water's pretty moderate there, so it should be good. Speed, like I said, start slow, kind of get a little feel for what you're doing. And you know, it's nice, I can kind of pretty much see right away if I like how much water's coming out or not. Let me get this section over here, had some I think this side you can see it probably best, but just the difference in, you know, just how nice it's going to look, super polished up. I mean, it doesn't take very long for chalk dust and sweat and, you know, days where people are running and they're just bringing in just natural dirt and debris from outside, that you're going to see that grungier looking floor. But it's always nice and crisp after you get that Bulldog running through here, and then it's just nice to walk in the gym the next day and it's just like, you know, floor is nice and pretty, nice and clean, people ready to make a mess again. I mean, everybody has that feeling, you know, like, at least for me, when I have like my own garage gym too, when my garage gym's organized, or even it's just your workshop, when it's organized and it's clean, like you're excited to go in and work. You're excited to be in there and you're ready to tackle and take on a new project. But there's something about like when it's kind of chaotic and it's already a little bit of a mess and it's a little bit disheveled, I think the motivation just isn't quite the same. But there's something that's, even for me going in to compete this weekend, you walk out on a competition floor and it's just super organized, it's super crisp, everything's like meticulously lined up. It just like creates this kind of urgency and excitement of, you're like, I'm ready to go. This is gonna be a lot of fun.